All these thoughts came in the heart of Radharani. These desires came in the heart of Radharani. By the influence of Yoga Maya, then Giraj Govardhan manifested from the heart of Radharani in the shape of a very beautiful mountain. So today we can directly see Giraj Govardhan today by our eyes. You can see that Giraj appears like a gross mountain. This mountain is not made from any hard stones. This mountain is, Radharani's heart is very cooling. The Guru of Giraj's nature is very beautiful, delicate, cooling. And this Giraj gives happiness to the heart of all living entities. If we have the darshan of Giraj by our external eyes, then we think that it's something hard. But if we can have darshan of Giraj by the eyes of our heart, then we'll see that Giraj is very beautiful, very delicate, very charming, and very selective is there in Giraj. So when Chaitanya Mahaprabhu came to Shri Vrindavan Dham, he came to the lotus feet of Shri Giraj, and he took the Giraj Shilas, touched to his chest, and he was burying the Giraj Shilas by the tears from his eyes. And so many transcendental ecstasies manifested in the heart of Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. All the transcendental ecstasies began to manifest in the heart of Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. Sometimes Mahaprabhu used to touch Giraj to his chest, sometimes to his head, sometimes he used to keep on his eyelids. In this way, Chaitanya Mahaprabhu reached so many ecstasies. When Mahaprabhu gave Giraj Shila to Raghunath Das Goswami, this is directly Krishna. Somehow you should serve this by giving Tulsi. So having obtained the Govardhan Shila from Mahaprabhu, Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, Raghunath Das Goswami began to serve Giraj Shila. When Raghunath Das Goswami comes to Vrindavan, when he arrives in Vrindavan under the guidance of Rupa and Sanatana Goswami, his sentiments towards Giraj, his words towards Giraj, his words in that Prarthana Dashakam, the 10 stanzas where he is praying to Govardhan to give him residence near him. He is saying that in every single cave of Giraj, this wonderful amorous pastimes of Radha Krishna take place. Oh Giraj, give me residence near you. That Giraj Govardhan may give me residence at his lotus feet in every single cave of Giraj. Very transcendental amorous sports take place. Radha and Krishna, who are afflicted by the pangs of transcendental amorous desires, they take shelter of the caves of Giraj and sport without any inhibition. So Giraj is a direct witness to all the amorous pastimes of Radha Krishna. Absolutely no doubt, no fear is there that Jatila would come or any fear from, absolutely no fear is there. Without any tension, they can sport in this case. So Giraj is the witness to all this Mahasanorami.
सहबल सखी समखेल यक्षोप्रियम में निज निकट निवास देहि गोवर्धन वह गिरिराज गोवर्धन मुझे अपने चरणों में
May that Giriraj Govardhan give me residence at his lotus feet.
रत्न वेदियों के द्वारा
By his wonderful thrones which are made of jewels,
राधा गोविंद को
very beautiful kunjas, very wonderful pastimes are going on.
गिरिराज के हृदय को ही जय कर दिया है और गिरिराज उन दोनों को अपने हृदय में समेट लिए हैं गिरिराज
Radha Govinda, they are in the heart of Giriraj and Giriraj is in the heart of Radha Govinda.
कोई स्थिति ये असंभव है
There cannot be any position to Giriraj without Radha Govinda. Giriraj cannot stay without Radha Govinda and Radha Govinda cannot stay without Giriraj. Every single, there is no place on the back of Giriraj Govardhan where Radha Krishna have not performed their pastimes. So this Radha Kunda and Sham Kunda, they are eyes of Shri Giriraj Govardhan. Radha Kunda is the very embodiment of Radharani and Sham Kunda is the very embodiment of Krishna. All the kunjas that are present on the shore of Radha Kunda and Sham Kunda, very wonderful pastimes are taking place. So there are 8 kunjas of the Sakhis surrounding Radha Kunda and then there are 8 kunjas of the Priyanam Sakhas surrounding Sham Kunda. Giriraj is observing all the pastimes that take place in these 16 kunjas. Rasana Vrishabhanur Sakshini Priya Kele. So he is the witness of all the amorous pastimes. So Giriraj is the witness to all his pastimes. Actually Giriraj is spreading the fame all over the 3 worlds. In no Brahmanda, even in Vaikuntha, what to speak of any world. Holding the pastimes of Radha Govinda in his heart, Shri Giriraj Giriraj Govardhan has taken birth in the dynasty or lineage of the Drona mountain. So he has made the all the mountains very glorious by taking birth. Very wonderful forest, by very cooling water, very beautiful creepers, beautiful flowers, very wonderful minerals. He is rendering service. He is rendering service to Radha Govinda. Radha Govinda is very life. There he is offering his everything to Radha Govinda and he is serving Radha Govinda. So our Shukdev Goswami Pad is telling that, he is praying that Radharani has addressed Giriraj as Haridas Varya. Among all the servants of Bhagavan, the best servant is Shri Giriraj Govardhan. There are 3 types of 3 servants of the Lord. Yudhishthir, and then there is also our Uddhavji, and the best of the servants of the Lord is actually Shri Giriraj Ji Maharaj. Radharani has given the Giriraj is like a very wonderful tilak on the forehead of Shri Giriraj of Vrajamandal, and Radha Krishna have addressed him as the best of the servants. He is not only serving Krishna, he is serving all the objects which are dear to Krishna. Giriraj is rendering service to them. Radharani becomes very happy by the service mood of Giriraj, and considering herself to be very humble and insignificant, Radharani is glorifying Giriraj. Haridas you are serving Ram and Krishna, and you're also serving the cows of Krishna by giving fresh hay, and you're serving the sakhas of Krishna by giving cooling water, very wonderful roots and herbs and fruit. So Radharani is thinking that we are evil ladies. How can we serve Krishna? But Giriraj is really very strong and is strongly serving Radha. He's serving Krishna. So Radharani, she's expressing humility. Radharani's lotus mouth has expressed Giriraj as the best of the servants of Lord Krishna. So essence of all pastimes of Sri Krishna is Ras Leela, and Giriraj makes the arrangements. So Giriraj is the best friend of Gandharva, Gandharvika, Radharani and Giridhari. So Giridhari and Gandharvika, they sport in the caves of Giriraj Govardhan. So in this way Giriraj is sacrificing his everything, all his possessions for the service of Radha Govinda. And during the Ras Leela of Radha Krishna,
वस्त्र आभूषण अंग की जितने सारे आभूषण सब हैं ये मानव राधारानी उनको उपहार स्वरूप प्रदान करते हैं
and Radharani becomes very pleased by the service of Giriraj, and Radharani, she gifts her bangles, her girdle, her necklace as a gift to Giriraj. Oh Giriraj, thank you, you have done such nice service to me, so I am gifting you all my ornaments and all the ornaments as a gift to you for the service you render to me and to my beloved Krishna during the Ras Leela. When Srila Gurudev was manifest on this planet, Srila Gurudev had a great love for Giriraj. He was always absorbed in the love for Giriraj, and he also used to narrate the sweet sentiments of Giriraj. To all the listeners also he used to narrate the glories of Giriraj. He also used to encourage all the speakers to glorify Giriraj, and he used to encourage the listeners to hear attentively the glory of Giriraj. Actually Giriraj was the very life of Srila Gurudev. So may I'll get some shelter at the lotus feet of Giriraj Govardhan. So we follow in the footsteps of Dasa Goswami. We have prayer that we will get shelter at the lotus feet of Giriraj. So as a result of accumulated sukruti of millions of lifetimes, accumulated pious spirit of millions of lifetimes, we have come at the base of Giriraj Govardhan. So Giriraj glories are unlimited. If even one drop of the glories of Giriraj will touch me, then my life will be successful. I am only praying for the mercy of Guru and Vaishnava. I pray humbly for the mercy of Guru and Vaishnavas. I fall down at the feet of Guru and Vaishnavas that please give me unalloyed devotion for the lotus feet of Shri Giriraj Ji.